Hello, I am Himanshu Bora, a proud alumnus of Vivekanand Business School, and I am thrilled to share that I have successfully secured a position at Bank of America Continuum Private Limited. And when I was contemplating an MBA, I sought out a program that offered both intellectual and practical approach towards business. With my background in science, the PGDM program at Vivekanand Business School was a clear standout among my options. The curriculum emphasized on practical case studies, dynamic presentations, and engaging simulations created a comprehensive learning experience that prepared us exponentially well for a corporate world. I aimed to specialize in finance, and Vivekanand Business School offered a program that was both academically strong and deeply connected to industry needs. The exposure to various financial certifications and hands-on experience with tools like Power BI, Python, and Tableau was invaluable in enhancing my skill set. My involvement in student cell and organizing of events and seminars allowed me to interact with esteemed business leaders. Further, honing my management and leadership abilities, the faculty expertise and mentorships were instrumental in deepening my understanding of management principles. Focusing on finance not only equipped me with the skills to develop effective business strategies, but also helped me enhance my soft skills and align my goals with those of prospective of employers. VBS commitments to offering enriching guest lectures from industry veterans and finance professionals that has been crucial in building a solid foundation for success in a corporate arena. For aspiring PGDM students, I wholeheartedly recommend considering Vivekanand Business School as your top choice. It could be one of the best decisions you make for your careers.